Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video I will be showing you two hijab styles using this cotton hijab from the shop Veiled Glamour, and this one I haven't ironed it, so I got a few requests to show hijab style using this cotton hijab but not ironing them. So I hope this video is helpful. So as you can see, without ironing them, you can still get this full coverage hijab style using the cotton hijab. So that is it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!